Yeah, good morning class. How are you? In today English 2 class, we are going to start chapter 6 adjectives. As we have completed chapter 5 exercise has been done, I have also given you classwork and homework of it. Okay? But now here we are going to start their chapter 6 adjectives. Okay? What do you mean by adjective first of all? We just must be knowing about adjectives. Adjectives किसे कहते हैं? The adjectives, that is the words that describes noun or pronoun. In other words, it tells us about nouns or pronouns. You can say, just what do you mean by it here? Adjectives are the describing words. Okay. Here it is called the describing words that describes noun or pronoun. It is also called describing words. Okay, adjectives are also called describing words that describes noun or pronouns. Describing means what? It tells about something about nouns and a special thing about nouns or pronouns. उसके बारे में और अच्छे से विस्तार से बताता हो. तो यहाँ पर हमने जैसे एग्जाम्पल्स, आई हैव जस्ट गिवन द एग्जाम्पल्स समवेयर. सी हैज़ अ स्वीट वॉइस. Voice is here what? Noun, you can say. It is noun, you know, and it is sweet. Okay, what it is telling about? Voice is sweet. Okay, so it is an adjective. Okay, here it is adjective. Why it is adjective? It is describing about that it is sweet or harsh, but it is sweet. Okay, it is sweet here. She is a good girl. Which type of girl she is? She is a good girl. This is also an adjective. Now here the second example here I have just given. Third example, sorry. Mohit is an intelligent boy. Intelligent boy. What it is? Intelligent. Which type of boy he is? Mohit here is an intelligent boy. This is also an adjective. Her hair is silky. Silky. It is also an. It is telling about hair. That which type of hair she is having? Silky. Okay. This is also an adjective. The words that tells about something about noun is called, जो noun के बारे में बताता है तो उसको adjective, noun और pronoun के बारे में बताता हो तो उसे adjective कहते हैं. महात्मा गांधी was a great leader. It is great. Okay. It is an adjective. So Sohan is a greedy boy. What it is? Greedy, लालची लड़का है. It is also an adjective. The box is heavy. Here the box is heavy. Which type? But the box is not heavy, light. What? Which type of box it is? Heavy. This is also an adjective. Here, as we know, adjectives can be used before a noun. It is just as we tell about it is telling about the noun. It is can come after the noun also in the sentence. It can be used before noun or after noun. Here just you can see the example. Here's boys, noun, it is sweet, before it is. Girl also it is before. Here boy, it is noun, intelligent, adjective. Here is the noun here and it is telling about it. Her hair is silky. Silky is her adjective. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader. Leader here, noun, great. Greedy boy. Okay. There it is. Boy is greedy, adjective. But here after this, in this sentence you can see this box is heavy. The box is heavy. Here it is telling about it. So it can be used in the last also, after the noun also, or before noun also. Adjectives can be used in both form. So here now we will just here came to know about the kinds of adjectives today. Only we will just know about the kinds of adjectives. There are 5 kinds of adjectives here. Adjective of quality, that tells about the quality. Okay, I will just deal with it in the next class more clearly. I am just here discussing about the kinds of adjectives. Quality, good, bad, like that of the old, young. This is the quality showing. Quantity, here some, much, more. These are the things that is telling about the quantity. Demonstrative adjectives means demonstrative. Here it is demonstrating means telling something about it. It is called demonstrative adjective. This, that, these, those. Adjectives of number here. It is just 6. Say there are 6 apples. Then it is in the there is 6 apples in the basket. Then it is 6 is here telling about the number of the thing. Okay, noun here. Interrogative adjective here. Okay, which boy has done this, means here it is which, what, where. These are the adjectives of interrogative. Okay, interrogative form of adjectives. Here, as we must have understood, what do you mean by adjective? Here this is black pen, then which type color of pen it is? Black. So like this type of examples here we can say the here. And these are the things you now must have understood, that what is do you mean by adjective, that describes about the noun or pronoun. Okay, today only this much here. Next class we will discuss about the kinds of adjectives. Thank you. You will just note down the definitions I will send to you of adjectives in your class copy. Thank you everyone.